It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, the child lock button, and power adjustable side mirrors. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow keys on the steering wheel. Up above, the power sunroof buttons and OnStar. We've also got a place to store your sunglasses. This here is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, the engine push start button, some USB ports and power plug-ins, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the blacked out grille surround and GMC emblem, LED headlamps, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, remote start, blacked out roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. On the door handles, we have keyless entry, so as long as you have the key fob, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Blacked out SLE logo, rear window wiper, and next I'll open up the lift gate here and we'll take a peek in the trunk. Plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and the levers to fold the second row seating down. Down below we have a deep storage compartment. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear fans, USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in at the bottom. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.